Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my natural everyday, it's like the makeup no makeup look that I have been doing. I feel like I always give you a very glam look, and this time I just want to show you the makeup no makeup look that I do. You guys already know this. A lot of YouTubers have done this video and I haven't. First thing I do is grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. I have used a lot of brow wax, brow gel, brow everything, even glue. This is the only thing that holds my eyebrows and it looks very good for a natural look. I brush it up just a little bit. Concentrate mainly the tip because it always falls like this side right here. So this is going to make my brows very fluffy, thick looking and younger looking. So that instantly lifted my face. It's like an instant facelift. I didn't even do anything, just my brows. The shape of your brows are so important that it changes your face. Look at this. I'm gonna brush it up. Like so. Okay, after my brows, I'm going to let that dry and then go back later. Next that I'm gonna do is the latest thing that I discovered. It's really, really nice. This one is the Kylie Cosmetics collaboration with A Nightmare on Elm Street. This one is the lip and cheek jelly stain. It's so good. I think this is the best product that she released in a while. I know that this is still in stock. If you can get a hold of this, just get it. It's only $17. It's really good. It's worth it. I use my finger and that stained my finger for a day or two. This stays for days. I'm gonna use a silicone brush. I forgot I have a silicone brush. I bought this silicone brush from Amore US that makes really good eyeshadows too. Really affordable products. I'm also gonna put this on my cheek. The product is not gonna be wasted on my finger. I'm going to overline it. A lot of you guys are saying that I have voluptuous lips, but it's all makeup. For my foundation, I typically just use tinted foundation, and I like using this one from M Cosmetics. This is the Daydream Cushion. It has SPF, and I like this one because I don't have to put SPF under my makeup. This is a great foundation, really good for your skin. This one is in medium tan, Sweet Secret, but I find it light for myself. I'm gonna show you guys. It's not very matte. It has that nice dewy finish. So I put the Kylie lip cheek tint because it adheres on the bare skin better, and also it stays all day. If you put it on your skin, it stays there. It stays the next day. This foundation is not full coverage, it's just a light coverage, light to medium. If you keep packing it, it is going to cover blemishes. I like protecting my lids from the sun. It's a very thin skin. We need all the protection that we can get. When you buy this foundation, it comes with a refill. It has 2 compacts. You get 2 compacts and it's replaceable. You can lift this up and replace with a new one. Very cool, very innovative. So I have a nice dewy skin now. Okay, for a bronzer, I really enjoyed the Hoola bronzer. This one is the Earth Angel 4 Scope palette. And this is such a great value palette. I forgot how much, I guess it was $45, but I got 20% discount. It has the very famous Cookie highlighter and Hoola. I love Georgia too. If I have tan, this is what I put on my forehead. Honeymoon blush, it's so good. If you are medium to tan, I highly recommend this palette. I'm going to use the Luxie 522 brush tapered highlighter. Hoola, I'm gonna start with my forehead. I got 5'ed", especially when my hair is slicked back. I'm going to contour a little bit, just a little bit. All right, next I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This one is in medium brown. I am going to add a little depth on my eyebrows. All right, there. Okay, sometimes I don't use mascara at all. This is it. This is the look that I go with if I want just like a natural look. But today I'm going to put mascara. Sometimes I use mascara. This one is the Lancome Seals Booster XL. It's a mascara primer. I'm gonna use this to prime my lashes for the mascara. This is going to make my lashes longer and curler. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna use the Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. This one doesn't make your lashes like spidery, clumpy. This will only make your lashes look separate and longer and curlier. My kind of mascara is like the clumpy mascara. I like the spider kind of effect because I don't have a lot of lashes. But if you do have a lot of lashes, unlike me, this is a beautiful mascara. It's just going to enhance your long lashes and curl it. Also, the wand is very comfortable. It is small. That's why a lot of people love this mascara, because of that wand. Start from the roots, brush it up. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the Kylie lip tint here. Alright, all done. I don't use any eyeliners, eyeshadows for a natural look, just this. This is done. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the look. This is my natural look. If I'm gonna go extra honestly, I would put tiny wing. If you love this kind of videos, let me know in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Alright guys, another secret that I use is the L'Oreal Root Cover Up, Magic Root Cover Up. Be gentle with this one. So the difference now, look at that. This one, magic, right? Makes you younger. This one is from Amazon. It's the fill-in powder. What you do is like this and just put it right where you don't have a lot of hair. Cover it like so. And then the bronzer brush that I use, I put it, kind of blend it a little bit so it doesn't look like fake. That's it. That's the secret of mine. Ta-da! Instant.